Alright, for the casters, we're talking about you can get these off of Amazon. Come in pack 20. Since we're doing 2 bearings on each wheel, I need to pop 2 more out. Okay, so for this guy, let's go ahead and get some stuff just to wipe that down a little bit. Okay, and again, notice on this wheel, this tread is nice versus this tread that are rigid. So yeah, next time we'll replace this wheel. Caster goes in this hole right here. Pop it in, like so. Okay, and we're going to take the spacer, put the spacer in, just like that. We're going to take the other caster, pop that in. So new caster is on this wheel.